In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a ring or needle position using the wall for support. If you like this video, you can find the complete version on the FlexAbilities website. Website subscribers have access to over 100 videos and live lessons every single week. Now let's get started. For a more detailed version, you can check out this tutorial on the FlexAbilities website. Here is a close-up view so that you can see exactly what I am doing with my hands.
Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up?
That's all for today's mini stretching tutorial. If you found this video helpful, you can find the full version on the FlexAbilities website, along with over 100 other full-length stretching routines.